Hi, welcome back to eProjects. In this video, you'll learn how to install Trust Wallet, how to secure it, how to add tokens, and how to change networks. Let's get started. Head over to trustwallet.com. And click on Download to add the Trust Wallet browser extension to Chrome. Once installed, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Since we're creating a new wallet, click on Create New Wallet. Choose a strong password, agree to the terms, and click Next. You can skip optional steps by clicking No Thanks. Once done, click Open Wallet. In the default window, you'll see default coins with the Ethereum network selected. Remember, always back up your mnemonic seed phrase. Click on Manage Wallets, then back up your secret phrase. Note down the 12 secret words securely. Screenshots or video recordings won't work for security reasons. Authenticate with your password, confirm the seed phrase order, and click Next. Confirm the seed phrase order and click Next. Now, your wallet setup is complete. Apart from the available coins or tokens from the default list to add new coins, click Manage, then use the search bar or choose from the list. In the search option, you can search for the coin you want or pick a desired coin from the list. Now, let's explore how to change networks. Click on the Ethereum icon at the top, choose from the listed networks, and manage as needed. Tap on the Manage Network section, and choose the desired network from the list. For demonstration purposes, I am selecting the Polygon network. Now, go back to the main window, and you will see that the default network is now set to Polygon. Next, let's add a custom token. Click on Manage Crypto, then add Custom Token. For demonstration purposes, I am adding a custom token called MBT, using its smart contract since it is not available in the list. If the token does not appear when you paste the smart contract, click the plus button at the top. Select the network for the coin, which in this case is Polygon. Paste the smart contract, and the MetaBlock token, MBT, should now appear. Click Add Token. Now, in the main window, you will see MBT listed along with the existing coins. This is the process to add custom tokens. That's it for adding tokens and changing networks. Check the video description for important links and details. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Have a great day!